I test the best expert advisors in the world and I share the results with everyone. I also do my best to share my experience in the YouTube channel, and recently I noticed a very steady profit in one of my accounts. It is the one in the bottom that I called Best EAs, and you will see that the profit in this account is $6,237. And in this account I have placed all of Valery EAs. You will see on my screen that I have the Evening Scalper, the Golden Pickaxe, Night Hunter, Percept Trader AI, and the Waka Waka. I've been running this account fully automatically for the last 3-4 months, and let me show you the results in the account. There were plenty of trades that opened and closed. I also connected the account to my FX book, so you will see more detailed statistic. The drawdown was 10.10%, and it was from the Waka Waka because it uses a grid martingale system. However, 10% is not a big deal in 100k account, unless this is a prop firm, of course. But if you want to build a portfolio of expert advisors and you want to diversify the risk between different currency pairs, gold, and a few more assets, it is not a bad idea to put a few expert advisors into one account. This way you will avoid huge losses, because if one of the expert advisors is losing, the others would compensate because they will be profiting at the same time. And before I dive into more details about the performance, let me show you that the Evening Scalper I was trading with just 0.01, and if I scroll over you will see that the Night Hunter Pro was running with 0.02, and then Percept Trader traded with higher lot, but it always starts with 0.01. Just because it is a grid martingale system, it would add to the position and increase the lots in order to recover the losses. So right in here you can see a few huge profitable trades that occurred after such occasion. And as well, if I scroll lower you will see that Waka Waka trades with different amount every time. This is the moment when it increased the lots the most, and this is this drawdown that we see on the equity on my FX book, but it recovered the losses. On the bottom I have the Golden Pickaxe, which I traded with the balanced volume set, and this one is also risky because it uses grid martingale system, but I thought that it's gonna be a good idea if I put them all in one account so I can see how they will behave, what is the difference between each of the expert advisors. And because I'm planning to trade bigger capital on live account, I would ideally put my best EAs, Valery's best EAs, and some of the other vendors I have tested so far. So I want to have in a huge live account basically the top performers I have ever tested, or pretty much the best expert advisors I know about. And if I show you more about the performance, you will see that in total I had 424 trades. The profit factor is 1.83, and if I click on summary you will see that the most profitable asset was Aussie Canadian, and I guess this is because the Percept Trader is trading Aussie Canadian. Yep, it is. And as well Waka Waka is trading this currency as far as I can remember. Yep, the Aussie CAD is included. Then New Zealand CAD is on the second place. Gold is on the third spot, but if you decide to trade the Golden Pickaxe, make sure you do it with a very low risk settings, because gold is volatile asset and it is risky to use a grid martingale system with gold anyways. So I would always use the very low risk settings with the Golden Pickaxe. And below in the stats you will see that the majors did not do as well as the Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD, and gold. Also, if I show you the monthly performance, you will see that I started in August, then I reached nearly 2%, 2.66 in October, and and today is the 20th of November. I have 1.34% so far. And something important as well is that if you are trading different expert advisors that are trading on different assets, especially currencies and gold, you need to look for a broker that offers really low spreads for both forex pairs and as well for the gold. And you can see that with Fxview, the spread with gold is just about 10 cents from the price of the gold, which is really low. If I open the website, you will see that they offer really low spreads for the forex pairs. The commodities start with 0.1 for gold, and with the rest it is even lower. And if you trade indices or stocks, you will find low spreads as well. The commission starts from $1 for every $100,000 traded, so this makes the broker really suitable if you're trading with expert advisors on different assets. So I'll share with you guys the link down below in the description. I would also pay for the live check to make sure the account updates regularly, and what's more, I will start adding more EAs to this account. So it's not gonna be just Valery's EAs, but I would also include some of the Leap FX robots, and my team is testing a few more expert advisors from different vendors. So in this account, I'll do my best to keep the best expert advisors in the world, and it will be great if I know your thoughts down below in the comments, or if you have suggestions for any other EAs that you want me to put in this portfolio. As always, I really thank you guys for watching this video until the end. Before you go, check out this video on my site to see a complete and detailed review of one of Valery's EAs. As always, I love you, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.